Today I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting using Doodle.com. So first you'll open a browser and type in Doodle.com, and this is what it'll bring you to. And there are many different things on the first page. It is not free, but you can do a 14-day free trial. If you already have an account, you can log in. But we're going to go right here to create a doodle. And it'll bring you to this page. So if you have a meeting that, say we have a meeting, we're going to create one that is for teacher. For teacher conferences. So that's what we have, and then you can add a location. So if you don't know yet, you can do to be determined, it just says to be defined on here. You can do a conference call, phone call, Skype, online, WebEx, Google Hangouts, or Zoom. So we'll do Google Hangouts, and then if you have a note, you can just put student achievement, so like give them a little idea of what it's about. You can push continue, and then like what day. So we'll do it for, we'll do later. We'll do it for Wednesday, October 7th at 10 a.m. Or we'll do it 10:15. 10 a.m. And you can change the length of it, so you can, if it's long or short, you can do it like that and like scroll. We'll do it for 30-minute. And you can change the time zone down here. But you can like look at the monthly schedule and add times in that way. So if you do that, so if we want to add a different one or like another time on that day, you can do that right here and change the time zone there. Or if it's a different month, you can do that. Or you can just type it in. So we did it on October 7th, which is Wednesday, from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Push continue. And you can do polls with it, and these are for like if you buy the premium. We'll just do yes, no, if need be for the polls. So you can tell them who you are, and you can type in your email. So I'll do my school email. And you'll push finish. And it'll give you a link. So this is the details of the meeting. And you can link it to your calendar, but you have to log in, you have to have an account. You can like tell them if you can't attend or whatever. And then here's the link. So you can text it to people, email it, however, and all they have to do is click on the link and it'll be the meeting. And that is about it.